6:30 at night on Christmas Day, and we got the trailer hooked up, headed to go pick up the Christmas present that my wonderful wife has got me. My Pawpaw's old truck. So I'm excited about it. It's going to be a great project, and yeah, so let's go get it.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna need some work. Alright, so got home, got the truck unloaded, pulled in the shop, and just giving it a once over tonight. So yeah, I'll show you what I've got. So we got a 1995 GMC Sierra. Yeah, okay, it's gonna need a couple fixes here and there, but overall, I love these body style trucks, and this was my Pawpaw's truck, so I am excited about it. I'm not exactly sure what all I want it to turn into, but it definitely needs some work before it gets back on the road. This is definitely got to have some tires. This is why we didn't drive it home right here. Didn't trust them tires for a 2-hour trip. So we're sitting with 273,000 miles on it. Pretty rough shape, but nothing that can't be fixed. So yeah, got it home. I'm excited about it. So we'll see. We'll start digging into it more tomorrow and make a list of everything it needs to get back on the road and getting drivable. So yeah.